Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your environment to work with Terraform. So the first thing you have to do is download an IDE, and I suggest you download the VS Code. Then you can install Terraform. If you are using Windows, I suggest you first install Choco and then use the command line choco install Terraform. If you are using Mac or Linux, I strongly advise you use tfenv. I'm going to show you how to use this. This is a tool where you can manage all of your versions of Terraform into your machine. And don't worry, I'm leaving everything you need on the description. But first, let's see how is the look of our interface. This is the VS Code. We need an extension, which is in our left bar here, and we need the HashiCorp extension. This is from hashicorp.com, and the reason we need this is because the file.tf is going to be recognizable only if we have this extension. So this is the reason. But this is it from VS Code for today. Now let's see how the tfenv works. So the first thing we are going to see here is what do we have on our machine. So we are going to list the versions we have. We are using the 1.4, but let's see if this is correct. Let's see using the Terraform CLI. Okay, that works. So imagine we are on a project that we need to have the older version. So that's easy. Just use the use command line. So let's see if that works. Okay. But I'm getting this message here. So this is too old and I'm not on that project anymore. I need now to update for any reason. So I can just install the latest. So I can just install the latest one and it's just easy. But I'm not using it anymore. I'm still using the 1.3. So and you need to use the latest. So it's now on the latest. So it's extremely easy to use the tfenv. And that's it for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.